Have you ever wondered what is it about the night that invites us to gather? By day, we work, we play, and we run faster and farther than we knew our feet could run. But night brings a gift. When the dark sky whispers, it's time now to stop, be still, and reflect.
On the day we arrive on the planet and blinking step into the sun, there's more to see that can never be seen, more to do that can never be done. There's far too much to take in, more to find than can ever be found. But the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. It's the circle of
When I stop and reflect, I think of those youthful days when the sun burned so brightly, full of energy, full of possibility. The sky had no limits. I had no limits.
Gonna be a mighty, so when I miss me away.
I've never seen a heat of peace with quite so little hate.
I'm gonna be the maniac, I don't keep what's before. I'm rushing out, I'm looking down, I'm looking on my wrong.
Rather uninspiring than
Oh, I just can't wait to be I just can't wait to be king. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait,
Okay, maybe I had a few limits. But soon, I learned there is no adventure without obstacle, no leap without fear. And so the moment comes when you ask, what now? And when the clouds finally part, when the rain clears, we can find our way again. We can find ourselves again. But it sure is more fun with friends.
Hakuna Matata, wonderful friend. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing grade.
no worries for the rest of the world. It's all gonna be like this.
But still, some days there are more questions without answers. At moments you only see more darkness than light. Feel the stillness in the air. Hear the quiet hum of night.
Night and the spirit of life calling Vanilla. Wait, there's no mountain too great. Hear these words and have faith.
So now you have the gift. Feel the energy of the hand you're holding and the loved ones by your side. In this wondrous moment, as we look to the sky, together